Headline: Scientists may have found signs of a hidden world in our solar system, Planet Y. Here's the twist: no one has seen it. It's inferred, like spotting a ship by the wake it leaves. A new study looked at distant Kuiper Belt objects and noticed their orbits tilt in a weird, consistent way. That warp could be caused by an unseen planet tugging from the deep outer solar system. What would Planet Y be like? The lead author, Amir Siraj from Princeton, says it's probably smaller than Earth and bigger than Mercury. Models put it roughly 100 to 200 astronomical units away. That's 100 to 200 times farther from the Sun than Earth, yet still gravitationally bossing around icy objects at the edge of everything we know. How strong is the evidence? The team analyzed about 50 of these distant objects and found a statistical signal around 96% to 98%. Strong, but not definitive. And in a broader orbital sweep, over 150 Kuiper Belt objects. Things inside 50 to 80 AU line up with the solar system's plane, but between 80 and 200 AU, paths start to warp. The simplest explanation? A planet perhaps 25 to 450 times Pluto's mass nudging them off course. This isn't Planet 9 redux hype. It's a fresh line of evidence. The mean plane of the Kuiper Belt itself appears bent. If that warp holds up, the best explanation is a relatively small, inclined planet out there. So, when do I stop saying if? Soon. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, home to the world's largest digital camera, will image the entire sky every 3 days. Its Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, is tailor-made for this. If Planet Y exists, LSST should spot it, or at least nail down the warp, within the first 2 to 3 years. In other words, this is going to be confirmed or refuted quickly. Why does this matter? Because a new planet changes the map and the story of how our solar system formed. It means migration collisions, hidden architecture we've only guessed at, and even a modest world, smaller than Earth, can orchestrate a symphony of orbits millions of kilometers wide. And if it isn't there, that's just as interesting. It would force new physics or new population models to explain the warp without a planet.